Are you looking for a healthy, tasty, and super easy recipe? Today, I will show you how to make a delicious mixed vegetable dish right in your kitchen. It's colorful, packed with the nutrients, and ready in minutes. Let's prepare a delicious mixed vegetable recipe. There is a tip that how to cook mixed vegetable recipe. You should need some ingredients to make mixed vegetable recipe at home. For example, 2 cups mixed vegetables: carrots, bell pepper, beans, peas, corn, 1 onion chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt or to taste, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala optional, 1 tablespoon oil, olive or vegetable oil, half cup water, fresh coriander leaves for garnish. There are some steps to prepare vegetable recipe, mixed vegetable recipe at home. For example, step number 1: prepare the vegetables. Wash all the vegetables properly. Cut them into small pieces so they cook evenly. You can use fresh or frozen vegetables for this recipe. Step number 2: heat the oil. Take a large pan or wok and heat 2 tablespoons of oil on medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter. This enhances the flavor. Step number 3: saute the onions and garlic. Add the chopped onions and minced garlic to the pan. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions turn golden brown. This will give the dish a nice aroma. Step number 4: add tomatoes and spices. Now add the chopped tomatoes, stir well and let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes until soft. Then add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper. Mix everything well. The spices will blend with the tomatoes to create a rich base. Step number 5: cook the vegetables. Add the mixed vegetable to a pan and stir well to coat them with the spices. Pour in half cup of water and cover the pan with a lid. Let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Stir occasionally to avoid burning. Step number 6: add garam masala optional. If you like extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala at the end. Stir well and cook for another 2 minutes. This step is optional, but it enhances the taste. Step number 7: garnish and serve. Turn off the heat. Sprinkle fresh coriander leaves on top of a refreshing taste. Your mixed vegetable dish is ready. Serve hot with roti, rice, or as a side dish. And that's it. A simple, healthy, and delicious mixed vegetable recipe you can make at home. And try it out and let us know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you in the next video.